Hi, friends. This is Mrs. Benefield. I am your media specialist, and I'm very excited to share a story with you. And the title of it is The Word Pirates. And the author, that's who writes all the words, is Susan Cooper. And the illustrator, the person who draws the pictures, is Stephen Kellogg. All right? So it's going to be a fun story about some pirates. And normally, when we think of pirates, we think of them hunting for treasure. But not in this story. In this story, they hunt for words. All right, let's get started. It was early morning on the pirate ship. Words! Roared Captain Rottingbones. Bring me fresh words. I need breakfast. Because that was what these pirates ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Words! Aye, aye, Captain, shouted Fiddleface the boatswain. So he let loose their flock of bumblebirds. They were trained to fly over the ocean and steal words fresh off the page the minute that writers wrote them down. There's an author, and the birds came to steal all the words, and there's the pirate ship back there. Captain Rottingbones ate long, chewy words like anti-disestablishmentarianism. That's a big word right there. His crew liked short, crunchy words like hop, fib, top, poop, zip, with milk. And the bumblebirds snapped up the broken bits that fell on the deck. All round the world the pirates sailed, gobbling up words in every language. Storytellers were heartbroken as the birds peeled words off their pages. They lived happily ever after. Oh, but they're taking away some words. It was ruining tales that would never be heard or read. But one day, Captain Rottingbones grew greedy. He had learned of a word wizard, a zany New Zealander, whose stories were said to be so wonderful that he knew her words would be extra delicious. Ooh, he licked his lips. Yo ho, me hearties, he cried. Brush up the bumblebirds. We're sailing south. The word wizard lived on a green headland with her cats and her bouncy poodle, Baxter. There's the word wizard as she's telling a story. She was reading her magical stories to children, wearing her rainbow wig, when the bird swooped down. Suddenly, there were gaps in her story. It should have begun. Robert looked over his shoulder, and there was a hippopotamus following him. But now it said, Robert was a hippopotamus. Her story was in tatters. Tatters is a good word. It means it's ruined. It's messed up. The bird stole words from the page, and so now it says that Robert was a hippopotamus. The wizard was furious. So were the children. They ran after the birds as they flew to meet the pirates on the beach. So here's the word wizard without her rainbow wig. And here's all the kids. Give us back our words! The children yelled. Your words are our lunch, the pirates mumbled with their mouths full. Look at the lady pirate. She's got a peg leg. And they gobbled up every last one. Yum, 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 yum. Words were not made for you to eat, the wizard cried. Words are for stories and poems, for friends, for singing and for dreams. Words are precious things. "We're pirates!" shouted Fiddleface. "We steal precious things, and we're hungry." Captain Rotting Bones drew his sword. "I'll fight you," he snarled, "and when I win, we'll eat every word you write." "Never!" thundered the wizard. "Just you watch. A word-spinning pen is mightier than a pilfering pirate's sword." Wow, that's a big pen she's got right there. The word wizard's going to fight the pirate and his sword with her mighty pen. Oh, the captain leaped forward, his arm high, but the wizard raised her pen. Oh, my goodness. And out of the pen came all the magic of story. Look, these words are taking over all the pirates. They're smiling. They're happy. Oh, look, it says, "Once upon a time." Down the rabbit hole. That's from Alice in Wonderland. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Fee, fi, fo, fum. I'll huff and I'll puff. Off with his head! On a summery Saturday morning. Let the wild rumpus start. So here's words and lines from lots of famous stories. And she's attacking the pirates with the words. The children shouted, "The words win!" Oh my goodness, look at the pirates. They're like, "Oh, what just happened to us? We've been attacked by words." Look, the pen won. It says the end. The pirates were stunned. Their heads were buzzing with stories. What amazing things words could do if you didn't eat them. They stared at the wizard, astonished. So there they're standing, all the pirates, and they're thinking of all these words they just heard and all the stories they just heard. They're all in their head, and they're like, these words are amazing. The wizard led them back onto their ship, and with help from the children and the bumblebirds, she sailed it to a faraway island. She has captured these pirates. She put the pirates ashore with a big chest full of surprises. "From this moment on," she said, "you are no longer pilfering pirates. You can be fantabulous farmers and anything else you choose. Just remember always, words are food for imaginations, not for bellies." So she says, "You're not going to eat words anymore. You're going to eat the food you grow." Here she's giving them seeds. And they're going to become farmers instead of pirates and grow food and not steal words. Then the word wizard sailed over the 7 seas with her friends, spreading the news that the pirates had been defeated. So here's all the authors and people that were getting all their words stolen from the pirates. She's got the pirate flag. She's cut it in half. She's like, "We're free from the pirates." The storytellers were very much relieved, and ever afterwards, the words were safe in books, just like this one. Wow, the pirates on their island learned, slowly, how to read. Now look, Captain Rotting Bones is the teacher, Professor Rotting Bones, and they're learning how to spell and to read. Oh, and they ate the vegetables. They quit eating the words. They're eating their vegetables they grew. And one day, the youngest pirate picked up a pen and very carefully began to write. "Once upon a time." He is going to become an author. He's going to be a storyteller. He's using his words for a story and not to eat. Well, this was a very fun story, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you liked it as much as I did. And it's kind of lets us know that words are important. The things we say, we want to use our words for good things, words that make people feel good, words that, teach us things, all right? Words can be used for bad things too, kind of like the pirates were using their words in a bad way. We always want to make sure we use our words in a good way. Okay, friends? Thanks so much for listening. I'll see you soon.